Are you tired of getting to your show or studio session and no matter how well you coiled your cables, they are still in a mess when you pull them out of your instrument case or bag? Sorting out this mess takes up valuable time that could be better spent setting up, sound checking, or ignoring your drummer's creative suggestions. The Cable Gig Bag 50 by Trojan Pro is the perfect solution. The Cable Gig Bag 50 is an all-in-one solution for transporting your cables and other small equipment stress-free with no fuss or mess. There's plenty of room for your cables, but also for interfaces, tools, pedals, strings, microphones, beer and other essentials, making it perfect for musicians, producers, engineers and roadies. The 10 foam dividers can be repositioned and attached securely in place using the built-in Velcro, allowing for up to 11 storage slots. There are 3 bits of Velcro on each removable panel and a total of 6 Velcro strips inside, so that your panels aren't moving anywhere in transit. Additionally, the inside of the lid features a partitioned zip pouch that is ideal for smaller items like picks, screws and old bar receipts. The Cable Gig Bag 50 is lightweight, sturdy and ideal for touring and gigging, but it's also great for storing your cables at home and in the studio, dust-free. The choice of 2 built-in handles and 1 adjustable and detachable shoulder strap makes carrying your cables comfortable and easy for the journey from tour van to stage, or even the shows where you have to travel by train, tube, or God forbid, by foot. The contemporary yellow lining inside the bag provides visibility in the dark venues that we all know too well, and makes it easy to see what you need in the moment. You'll never have to stress over the horrible mess of cables again, unless you can't coil them properly, but that's for another video. Find out more about the Cable Gig Bag 50 by Trojan Pro at Studiospares.com.